Okay, so here we go. Pretty much reversing up today from the top of Canary Wharf, which is called Poplar, which I think is pretty much where we are now, up through Bromley by Bow, through Bow, and then making our way home. I don't think we've made this ride before. I'll have to do a quick check, otherwise you'll never hear this voice. But I think this is pretty new. And next week, I will be going to find some new parks. I did get a recommendation from someone in the first parks video. So I might go see what that was and hit that one up. And then going to blast through all the sort of famous parks everyone knows, like Hyde Park, Green Park, Regent's Park, St. James Park, all those goodies. We'll go do some little tourist park visits. What a life, eh? What a life to live. Just tourist park visiting. Can't wait. Especially now that the sun's coming out. Hopefully in the next couple videos, I will not have a sweater on. Full shirts. Let's go. The vibes are getting immaculate. We're almost there, people. It's about that time. She needs to give that chain an oil, I think. Bit squeaky. Unless it's my knees, maybe. Maybe they need an oil. More likely scenario. It has been a big first ride back. This is probably the third or the fourth video out of today's ride, and I am bloody exhausted. I've even had the concept of getting the tube home, but that's just peak laziness. We're almost there. Give me a bit of motivation, guys. Tell me there's some delicious lunch waiting for me at home, or a crisp, cold beer in the fridge, which I know there are neither. Motivation gone. Bless you, buddy. That was a big one. I don't want to turn right. Okay. I'm tossing up whether I should like cut out waiting at the lights. Would it be preferential to have the sort of jolt between pulling up to going again and skipping out the waiting? Or do we prefer just seeing the whole ride without any cuts? Let me know, it's your choice. Whatever works best for you guys. And also, I guess while we're on that note, like for all my people not from London or not from the UK, or even if you are, is there anywhere in London that you want to see explored by me? I'm honestly open to going wherever. London first, because I can just ride there, but then, you know, maybe we can do some little explorations outside of London, like maybe we could do a bus ride out to, or a train trip out to like Cambridge or Oxford, or, you know, wherever really. I'm always keen for an explore. So if there's anywhere you've always been dying to see and you want me to take you, just let me know. More than happy to do it when I can find the time. I'm actually really keen. I think it's once I get a new bike, I don't think I'm going to do it on this bike. It's too rigid, too uncomfortable for longer rides. So when I get maybe the commuter gravel or something with wider tires and a bit more of a comfy seat, I really want to do some long distance stuff. Like I think I've mentioned the London Loop before. That's about 250 Ks, which for me is a relatively long ride. I don't think I've done 250 before, not even close really. Maybe 100 I think max, or maybe 80 max. So I really want to work up to doing some like longer rides and, you know, explore further places and maybe do like an overnight camp ride somewhere or something like that would be really cool. Like, what is it, bike packing, I guess. Should see if I can convince the wife if she wants to. Oh, sorry. Do you want to go? Yeah, cheers, man. Convince the wife to do a bike pack. Oh, lots of seized electric bikes. I wonder what's going on there. It must be all the people who overtook me in the last video. Justice has been served. What are you doing, bud? It's not a very good place to park, is it? You absolute donkey. Why is it green here and then red here? Is it just like give you a bit of an advantage, or I don't understand. Why not just stop at the first one and not install a second one? All right. The last stretch. Let's go. Many of you guys watch Terry B, his channel on YouTube. He does a little like profiles on people around New York and other places. Been really getting into his videos lately. I want to try and do something similar. Oh, what's that goose, that swan doing? Look at that, it's just searching for food, I guess. Fucking hell, distracted so much. Yeah, get into doing some like city rides, like traffic rides, sort of things like that. It'd be cool to get like someone to go with, so I can either film them or they film me, and get like a seat mounted, like a higher mounted camera, like a 360 cam or something, and just do like traffic rushes. Would be super fun. But I don't think I'm quite at their level just yet, but you know, some amateur stuff. It's always good fun. Love the rush of traffic rides. On your left. Oi. Cheers, fellas. Watch where you are going, people. Man, I just don't understand why people don't pay attention to the road in front of them. Come on, buddy. You're welcome. Oh man. On your left. Oh, sorry. Sorry, mate. Thank you. A little baby moorhens. All the babies everywhere. Wait. All right. I think that's about it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. I'm hoping next one will be revamping the park runs. So I'll see you then. Thanks for coming along. See you soon.